This tutorial is designed to teach you how to receive non-expendable orders inside of GCSS Army. Before we get into the lesson, there are some key points that need to be discussed. The first key point is that the PBO is responsible for ordering non-expendable supplies in the system. The unit supply can submit a request to the PBO, or the PBO can create the purchase order without the request from the unit supply. The second key point is that the purchase order will get a 22 docket series number assigned to it when it gets a DoD document number. The unit supply or the PBO should ensure that they have physical possession of the items before it is received in the system. So that basically means do not sign for this item and then try to physically pick it up from your SSA, or if your items are shipped to you directly because your items come in dedicated, please don't sign for it and then go try to look for that item. Make sure you have physical possession first and then receive it in the system. The third key point is that GCSS Army is driven by transaction codes. This is different from PBIS. The transaction code VL06I is used to receive new item requests in the system. From the unit supply menu, we select reservation management, and then we're going to select the transaction code VL06I for your inbound deliveries or goods receipts. So in this example, we're coming in here to receive a non-expendable item.